So since last time we finished cutting passenger side rear fender and we installed it, but we still need to modify a little bit. Right now I'll cut rear fender on driver's side and put the fender on. So the flare is on. Right now I will be marking everything again and cutting just like I did passenger side, and then I will lean wheels to it and lower car on the jack just to get a good look from the back how the car is gonna sit after it's all done. Fender might be a little bit off, or not. Yeah. So I just realized that I put the fender on a little bit off, because that bumper piece should be close to this edge, and it's not. It's a little bit back. The fender's a little bit off to the back, to the rear of the car. And if you look at this side, it comes right to the bumper, right there. So I need to fix that. Fix the flare. I moved the front a little bit. I have those holes, which is not a problem. It's only two. Other one's covered under the fender. So I'm just gonna, since I'm gonna mold it in, I'm just gonna get fiberglass over top of them. It shouldn't be a problem. So now I'm gonna mark everything on the inside and cut it. So car is sitting on the jack in the middle, just because I want to see how it's gonna look with both rear fenders done. I love it. It looks so freaking good. It just looks so good. Try to get the rear end shot. Oh my goodness. So right now we're gonna pull the fenders back off and start working on the body itself, cleaning everything up and welding, seam sealing all the holes shot, and then later on we're gonna modify fenders to make it feel better. So an update, we cleaned it up for welding, made the slots in the metal so we could hammer it up easier. This side's done, this side's done too, and right now I'm gonna be welding with my Craftsman welder. I think it'll work good enough for such a thin metal, and I'm sure it'll work perfectly for what we need. And looks like right here it's not gonna reach because I cut it way too much, so I'm gonna probably buy a piece of metal and just weld it shut. It's gonna be under the cover anyway, so you won't ever see that. And then after that I'm gonna probably just seam seal it, all the other little holes that's left, and prime it so it doesn't rust. Alright, so I finished one side and it looks really bad but it's okay. I don't have anyone to help me weld and I'm not a welder, so I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit more and cut the axis off and seam seal it, and it should hold. It should work. It should hold. Alright, I finished one side and it looks like crap, but it'll work. It's stiff enough, it's not gonna break. And I'm just gonna seam seal like I said, all these holes and those. And now I'm gonna do the other side real quick. Hopefully it'll turn out better. Finished passenger side, and it actually turned out a little bit better. So I'm going to clean it up, cut it off, clean it up, and that's probably gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps. I mean, a lot of people already done wide bodied and everyone knows how to do it. That's how I did it. I watched the video, and I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. Next time we are going to start on the fender flares itself. I'm going to start modifying them and get rid of the rough edges and make sure it fits better on the car. Cutting the side skirts off, like I said before, fixing the cracks, just working on them. That's it for the car. The rear is done, the front is cleaned up. I'm gonna have to primer and seam seal yet everything else, but car's pretty much done besides paint, which I'm probably gonna be repainting it. I don't know what color yet. I have to decide on the color. Anyway, thanks for watching and tune in next time.